jar first.
Don't hurt yourself first.
All the water you need some speed, baby.
Need some speed.
Everybody's waiting for okay. Alright.
One good
Ready?
jump, you're done, man.
Primary trainer of Gucci.
You better set the example right
Set the
now.
standard.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
Get some!
What the hell was that?
That was going to be a boo anyway.
Big step.
Fix that. Show 'em how it's done, baby. Let's go.
Now you're driving it in.
Act like there's a
See, man?
Get some! Big step.
Big step,
Big
you're done.
step. Recover over here. Good job.
Go get pictures with your wife.
Your wife a hug. Hey, give her a big ol' hug.
All right, Pat. Ready?
Alright, are you gonna help?
Oh, not yet. 1, go. Be fair. That was the same shit, ain't it?
No, he tucked up. He tucked.
Oh, he tucked. He tucked. All right, get back out. Get your dead ass up and move faster.
You turned?
All right, Jar. No more this twirly fucking ballerina bullshit. Let's do it for real this time. All right.
Be a man
Would you like me to
and
do the
die.
same thing? All right. I know there's a lot of fucking sand in that cooch right there.
Good thing you said that low.
Yeah. Children around. All right.
Scrub that from the video.
3, 2, 1, go.
Just give it to him. He has no option.
Hey, there you go. Hey, you get a trophy. Drown
Oh,
yourself.
he made angel.
Hey, get back on the short bus.
Your ass sticks out more than anything. You're not very aerodynamic. Hey, dog.
Alright, Pat. For
somebody who's like an island. Pat, come on.
Why are you the last one doing just like you
I'm like 3 inches.
That make it spectacular.
Jar, hey, I want to see a big smile on wipe that poo-poo face off. Smile.
Enjoy
I
it.
want you to smile when you jump too. All right? I'll keep that fucking smile. I want your teeth to be fucking flat. All right? 3, 2, 1, go.
Smile.